Good morning, students. Today, further in the networking, computer networking, we are here for network devices. Some of the network devices we have discussed earlier. Today, I am going to discuss the network devices. Please note down, give the heading network devices. Okay, network devices. Write down the formal definition. Computer hardware devices which are used to connect computers, printers, or any other electronic device to a computer network are called network devices. Write down few names of network devices that are installed in our computer. Write down internal modem. Number one is internal modem, NIC card, NIC card, network identification card. The full form is network identification card, NIC card, or RJ45 connector, router, switch. These are few network devices used in computer to have the computer networks. So let us see them one by one. Please note down NIC. The full form is network identification card. Network identification card, also known as network adapter card. Network adapter card, Ethernet card, or LAN card. How it looks like? See, this is your PC, and this is the NIC card through which serial data is coming. This is the NIC card of another computer, that this parallel data goes to PC. This is the correct representation of NIC card. So how a NIC card looks like? This is like this. It is actually it converts parallel data stream into serial one and vice versa. Next one is RJ45. The full form of RJ is registered jack 45. RJ45 cable. It is an 8-wired connector. 8-wired connector. In the practical lab, I'll show you these devices. For the time being, see how it looks like. This is the network RJ45 cable. 8 ports are there. Next is repeater. Note down repeater. Actually, repeaters are placed between the network or the communication channel to revive the weak signal. See here in the diagram, a weak signal is shown. It passes through repeater and the signal is revived to a strong signal. This is repeater. Come to modem. Write down the full form of modem. Modulator, demodulator. Write down the modem full form. Modulator, demodulator. Modulator is converting digital signal to the analog one, and vice versa is known as demodulation. See, in the diagram you will get an idea how it works. See, from computer digital signals are passed in modem, it converted to telephone signals or analog signals. Again, in the next receiving end, a modem decode this or demodulate this analog signal to digital one and pass to computer. So this is the way a modem works. The diagram you need to draw in the in your copy. See if it is visible or not, otherwise I'll send it separately to you. Come to the next one, hub. Hub. Hub, please note down, hubs are used to connect multiple computers in a single LAN network. Hubs are used to connect multiple computers over LAN. Available ports are 4, 8, 12, 24, 48. That means in 4-port hub you may connect 4 computers, and in 48 ports hub you may connect 48 computers. There are 2 types of hub, please note down: passive hub and active hub. And if we consider the port type, there are 2 types of hub: Ethernet hub and combo hub. Passive hub and active hub. What is the difference between these two? Passive hub only forwards the signal to all the ports without amplifying the signal, whereas active hub forwards the signal as well as it will consider the quality of data signal, so it will first amplify and then forward. So these are 2 types of hub. Moreover, if you are considering the number of the port type, then we may have Ethernet hub and combo hub. In Ethernet hub, all ports have RJ45 connector, whereas in combo hub we may have RJ45, BNC and AUI ports available. See how a hub works. A hub sends signals to all the ports and all the ports are receiving those signals. So this is actually connecting multiple computers over LAN. Note down switch. Note down switch. Note down, it is also used to connect multiple computers together in a work group. It is same as hub, but here switches are used to take decision and that's why switches are called intelligent hub. It will not broadcast the things, but it will decide which port has to forward the signals. So that's why switches are known as intelligent hub. Please see the diagram. Switch sends signals on one port only wherever required. Okay, not all the port receives the signal. So this is switch. Come to router. Next is router. Router operates in physical layer and data link layer. Please note down, routers operates in physical layer, data link layer and network layer. It routes the data packets. It also interconnects different networks. Its main job is to receive the packets and pass them into the second connected network, other connected network. Come to the next one, gateway. The gateway device converts the protocol. So that two different network architecture may communicate each other. So you may call gateway as protocol converter. Gateway will join two different LANs. You may call it protocol converter. One important question for your examination: what is the basic difference between hub and switches? Few differences may come in the examination. What is the difference between hub and switch? What is the difference between switch and router, etc.? Let us see them one by one. Please note down difference between hub and switch. A hub works in physical layer or in layer 1, whereas switch works in data link layer or layer 2. A hub works in physical layer, that is layer 1, but a switch works in data link layer, or you can say layer 2. Switch is more efficient than hub. Hub is less efficient. Switch can join multiple computers within one LAN, but hub can join multiple Ethernet devices together as a single segment. Switch is smart hub. Switch has higher performance and it is more expensive than hub. Please note down switch versus router. Router works in network layer, whereas switch works in data link layer. Router works in layer 3, whereas switch works in layer 2. Router is to route packets from one network to another. Routers are more intelligent than switches. A switch is only used for wired network, whereas router can be used in wireless networks also. Routers are much more costlier than switch. One more difference is there, router versus gateway. Please note down the difference between router and gateway. Gateway regulates the traffic between two dissimilar networks, whereas router regulates traffic between similar networks. A router is a hardware device that forwards data packets within computer networks, whereas router perform the traffic directing function on the internet. If you want to connect through one network, within one network, you may use router, whereas if you want different networks, you may use gateway. So this is the differences between these devices. Another network device is Wi-Fi card, used for Wi-Fi wireless transmission. So these are network devices. Next day we will discuss network topologies, various network topologies, or the geometrical arrangement of computer networks. For today, this much is enough. Thank you very much.